All right, now I'd like to do a song for you. It represents my 4th minute of fame. Here it goes. Oh Lord, won't you buy me an SUV? My friends all drive little cars, but they're not for me. I need something to help me be free. Oh Lord, won't you buy me an SUV? Oh Lord, won't you buy me a big screen TV? One with a plasma screen and a DVD. I'll sit at my couch and let the world be. Oh Lord, won't you buy me a big screen TV? Oh Lord, won't you buy me a big bag of pop? A quarter-pound will do. I don't need a lot. I share with my friends, so it will not rot. Oh Lord, won't you buy me a big bag of pot? Thank you, Janice.